In this video, we are going to be looking at pie charts. Now, normally when we have an array of data, whether group on or group data, it's sometimes difficult to see what's going on. But pie chart is one way in which data can be represented, and it becomes very easy to have a pictorial view of what is going on. Now, in just one statement, pie chart is just a circle that is segmented. Think of it like a pizza with mostly unequal parts. So you've got different parts. Can you see this? So this here is a pie chart. Does that make sense? To be able to understand this perfectly, let's just take an example. In a secondary school in Sierra Leone, a census taken regarding the various ethnic groups gives the following results. We have Creole, 200, Fula, 50, Limba, 90, Mende, 100, Susu, 60, Teme, 80, others 140. Represent the above data on a pie chart. Now let's do this. The first thing I want you to remember is that we represent a pie chart in a circle. And so what we want to try to do is to divide this circle according to these figures we've got. Now remember, the total angles in a circle is 360 degrees. Now what we intend to do is turn all these figures into degrees and then plot it on this circle. Does that make sense? Now let's do this. So to make things easy, let's just have this done in a table and to conserve space. So we have ethnic group. So we have Creole, followed by Fula. Then we have Limba. And then we have Mende. Then we have Susu, followed by Teme. Then finally we have others. Do you understand this? Now we are just doing it this way to conserve space. We can call this people, number of people in the ethnic group. For Creole we have 200. For Fula we have 50. For Limba we have 90. For Mende we have 100. For Susu we have 60. For Teme we have 80. So we've got 80. And then for others we have 140. Do you understand this? Now the first thing we need to do is to find the total number of people in the ethnic group. Now let's do this. So if we try to do the total here, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. That will give us 0. Then we have 0 plus 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. So we can have 2, carry 3. So we have 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So the total here is 720. 720. Now the next step we need to take is to find the angle for each of the ethnic group. So we have angles. Now remember, we've got a circle. The total angle in a circle is 360 degrees. Now we are trying to find the angles of each of these ethnic groups so that we can plot them in this circle. Does that make sense? So having said that, let's find the angle for Creole. Now this is the step. You divide the number of people in that ethnic group all over the total 720, then multiply by 360. Can you see that? 200 over 720 times 360. 200, the number of people in Creole, over the number of people in all the ethnic groups, times 360. Do you understand that? So if you do this, you have 0 cancels 0, 36 here 1, 36 here 2, Then you have 2 year 1. 2 into 100 is 100. So this equals to 100 degrees. Do you understand? For fuller, remember you do 50 all over. The total is what? 720 times 360. Does that make sense? So if we go 360 year 1, 360 year 2. Does that make sense? 2 year 1, 2 in 50 is 25. So we have 25 degrees. Next, we have 90 over 720 times 360. 360 year 1, 360 year 2. 2 year 1, 2 in 90 is 45. So we have 45 degrees. Next, we have 100 over 720 times 360 over 1. 360 year 1, 360 year 2. 2 year 1, 2 in 100 is 50. So we have 50 degrees. Next, we have 60 over 720 times 360 over 1. 360 year 1, 360 year 2. 2 year 1, 2 in 60 is 30. So we have 30 degrees. Next, we have 80 over 720 times 360 over 1. 360 year 1, 360 year 2. 2 year 1, 2 in 80 is 40. So we have 40 degrees. And lastly, we have 140 over 720 times 360 over 1. 360 year 1, 360 year 2. 2 year 1, 2 in 140 is 70. So we have 70 degrees. So this is the degree representation for each of the ethnic group. Now, to confirm we are correct, if we add the degree representation of each of the ethnic group, we should get a total of 360 degrees. Let's try it. So we have 100 plus 25 is 125. 125 plus 45 will give us 170. 170 plus 50 will give us 220. 220 plus 30 will give us 250. 250 plus 40 will give us 290. 290 plus 70 will give us 360 degrees. So the total here is 360 degrees, which means that we are correct. Do you understand? Now the final step is to represent this in a cycle. So this is how to represent data in a pie chart. The first thing is turn the numbers given into degrees, and you can do that by saying the value over total value times 360 degrees. So it doesn't matter if this number of children, you have number of children over total number of children times 360 degree for each of the data given. Do you understand that?